What's up? Cinecell log 2. I'm in Sacramento. It's the middle of the night for a walk. But I realize I haven't updated in a while. Got all the stuff. All the stuff looks good. Had some problems making the battery packs out of the 18650 batteries. I connected the leads too many times and I caught 2 of the packs on fire. I have one of my failed packs sitting in a little ammo cartridge container just in case it catches fire overnight. This was 3 nights ago, but the problem was the nickel strip I was using didn't bond with my tin. So when I was trying to, not the grounding, but the balance wire, because you plug the 18 XT30 connector into charge and you also have the balance lead. When I was wiring that in, there's 2 negatives, 1 positive for a small one. It wouldn't tin, or the solder wouldn't bond with the nickel strip. Pretty sure it's nickel, not zinc. I don't remember right now. But it wouldn't bond. So when I tried off the first one, I shouldn't have used the really nice cells too. But when I tried to take the strip off, and I was really strong with the welds. I maybe did 10 spot welds on each side of the battery. So it was on there really strong. But I tried to take it off, and for some reason, I don't know why, because the bottom was already connected, but it sparked in my face, and I was first of all I gotta wear safety glasses, and my grandma was in the garage right behind me. Thank God she didn't see it. It's a little informal log. Otherwise, I'm out away from my garage right now, but once I get back, it's Saturday night right now, so get back tomorrow. I should be able to get some work done on it tomorrow. I gotta just get my desk set up because I want to record it, because this is meant to be a portfolio channel, but these logs are not going to be fairly formal. This is just keeping time and keeping myself on pace. What's the most important thing? I'm going to stick with goggles, because what I noticed was when I was flying my 5-inch freestyle outside, it was Bodega Bay, California, and it wasn't too sunny. It was partly cloudy, and I realized if I'm looking at a screen, if I take the screen out of the goggles and I put it on the top of my car, I realize, oh my gosh, if there's sun, even with a cover, you can barely see it. So I might ditch the box. This might be more of a project just to, because instead of tearing apart a waterproof box and I can barely see it, and if I'm on a moving boat, a bumpy boat, this case is, it's meant to be ultralight, so someone has to hold it for it not to move around, and I don't want to do that. So I think I'm going to stick with goggles and just pack it in a small backpack. That's the main change. This is supposed to be an all-in-one waterproof box, but if I'm on a moving boat, then it's just going to be incredibly inconvenient, even if I make my target of putting it in the box. And it would be cool, of course, to drill holes in the top for antennas. Now, TPU water plugs to keep the water out, but I don't think it's going to work out that way. Anything else off the top of my head? Got a lot of batteries. I think I got 12 18650s. 2 of those batteries are kind of not beaters, but cheap AliExpress ones, where the nice pink ones that I have are high discharge and 3000 milliamp, and that's what most of them are. And then I look at these green AliExpress batteries. They got for not too much each. I don't remember. I'm not gonna make up a number, but cheaper than what a nice battery would be. And they're 3,500 milliamp. Shit, that's pretty. I think they're lying. But yeah, I'll test them and I'll see. Maybe they're just super low discharge and high milliamp hours, but I don't know. I'm not too fluent with batteries. I know LiPo, lithium ion, and I know mAh, and I know voltage. I'm just learning the parallel and series wiring, just because I have to make this battery pack. But I'm excited. I'm following this. What's the guy? I gotta credit him. It's not Hoarder Sam. That's who I made my 5-inch drone from. That thing's been holding up really well. I forget his name. If I remember to, think I'm just going to post this right after I walk, but if I remember to, I'll link him in the comments. If anything, I'll just put him, I'll link him in the description comments. Super good guy. His videos, I don't know him personally, but his video seems pretty informative. I'm building that drone with carbon fiber frame, and I got the DVR unit. I don't know where I'd mount the DVR unit. It's super tiny. Should I? If I get what I was about to say, the Run Cam thumb, the lightest one, I think it's not the 2. The 2 is like heavier, 26 grams, and I think the other one was 16. I got the Thumb Pro W, I think. I'm guessing that's wide lens. Got that with filters. Are they NR? I don't remember. That's what I'm going to be putting on. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Either I'm going to print like arms for it to put on, or I'm going to maybe make one out of PLA and see how nicely I can drill through, because I do have a beater printer here. That's this log. Guess should be it. I'm gonna try not to. I'm also gonna make a separate tutorial just because I'm trying to beef this video up. I feel like this summer before I leave here, like my little home base, California, for God knows how long, I'll make a couple of videos. I know website. Well, this is completely unrelated, but got a lot of stuff to do. But I want to make a video on how to make the batteries. I want to make a video on how I build the drone, and then I got to make a little portfolio video to show off and link on my resume/portfolio. That should be it for now. It's a little log 1.5, since I'm not really showing anything. I'm just more going through. Or log 2. I don't know. I don't care. The final product is what matters. Learning how to treat batteries. That's the main one. And goggles will stay. Got to bring a portable battery though, because I think they're called the EVD 800s. Bought them last August or something when I got my 5-inch. But they have a short battery time, and I love to record DVR just so you can get the on-screen display. And one of the shorts I just posted, I like how I can do the on-screen display on the bottom, and the footage from the Insta360 Go 3, which has incredible stabilization for FPV. That might be a video idea too, because that thing, you can see in the video, it's so smooth even when I'm making slightly harsher turns. Just that, I'm guessing it's the wide FOV that lets you see so much. Gonna keep working on this, and hopefully I don't lose it in Europe when I'm flying this thing. That would be so sad, man, for me to just watch it plunk in the ocean. But I guess that's why I'm recording DVR. Another one of my fears is my goggles dying. But I'll have a portable power battery thing, and I doubt I'm gonna take off with one out of the 3 battery bars left on my goggles. Okay, that's it. Trying not to stretch this, but at the same time, I do want to get all of my knowledge out there, because I don't know, this isn't short form content anymore at all. But if someone learns something from this, teach someone else. It's my thing. I want people to be able to learn too, because that's the position I'm in. All right. Good night, y'all.